Welcome back. Today we've got another £250 for 50p's we're going to be hunting through, looking for commemoratives. Ones with more than face value, but ideally the missing coins from the book. We need a Kew Gardens 50p, and then 3 Olympics, goal ball, shooting and weightlifting. And then the book is complete because we've got all the more recent commemorative 50p's up to and including the coronation 50p already in there. So let's get into these bags, see if we find anything new today. Right then, bag number 1 we'll open in real time and I'll show you what it is we're looking for. Oh, our first one is a commemorative Benjamin Bunny, the most common commemorative 50p out in circulation, but we always check for the rotation error. Nope, the Queen's portrait is in the right orientation on that one, so that one is fine. Then this is Britannia, the standard definitive design used on 50p's up until 2008. 2008 is a low minted circulating year I look for. It was then changed to this design, the Shield, which saw use until 2022. The key dates on these are 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18 and 2021 for the non-circulating years, and 2017 is the low minted circulating year. The Atlantic Salmon is our new definitive, only in circulation for 2023, and that's a very low minted year. So we'd make for a lovely coin should we find one. Right, bag number 1 is done. We've got 1 commemorative coin so far. Let's speed up now until we find more. Oh, there we go. Part of the Olympic series. This is a Paralympic one, archery. You can see in the O of the 2012 at the top, you've got the Paralympic Games symbol rather than the Olympic symbol. So it's one of the 5 Paralympic ones. It's the most common out of that coin series, but again, any Olympic is an amazing find. Oh, Victoria Cross, the medals. Now this is a common coin, it's a bit grubby. Now, despite that being a very common coin, there's something to look out for because back in 2019 the Royal Mint restruck these older designs to celebrate 50 years of the 50p. So if you find any of those 10 coins, you want to check in case you've come across one of those restrikes which were not put into circulation, but every now and again something gets into our change that shouldn't be there. So how do you check it? You look at the date. 2006 on this one, which means this is the standard original circulating design. All the restrikes are dated 2019, the year that set was produced for. 2016, this will be something. It's the Team GB 50p, not part of that 2011 29 coin set, but a welcome find for sure. Oh, there's Girl Guiding, which could be a restrike. This one, though, is not, unfortunately. Oh, and there's the Platinum Jubilee. Well, we did see the obverse of this coin, so we know this is the circulating version, but there is a non-circulating version. On the obverse, the head side of the coin, the Queen is on horseback. That was only a coin you could purchase. You couldn't, they weren't put in circulation. That one, with the standard Queen's portrait like this, was the version put out into our change. Oh, there's Paddington at the Cathedral. Very nice, but very common, as are the other 3 Paddington designs you can find out in circulation. Oh, there we go. Very exciting. 2011 dated. Will it be one of the 3 Olympics we still need to find? Volleyball. I don't think so. I think we've already got volleyball. It's still, to find 2 Olympic 50p's in one video, that is very good going. What is that? That's not a 50p. Looks Korean to me. You've got these oval shapes, which are, I think, are in the Korean characters rather than others. So that'd be 501, 2005. Amazing. Is 501 worth more or less than 50p? Have I made a profit or have I made a bit of a loss? Oh, there we go. There we have Pride. Very nice. A bit more variety to today's hunt. Oh, another Benjamin Bunny. Right, come on, rotation error. Ah, sadly not. And it's grubby. Lovely. Oh, Paddington at the tower there. That's 2 of the 4 Paddingtons down. We found both the 2019s. We just need to find those 2 2018s. Then we've completed our little Paddington run. Oh, 2016 again. Peter Rabbit. So a smidge over face value. Not the most valuable coin in the world, but very nice. And another Benjamin Bunny. Right, 3rd time's the charm. Mathematical laws. This has to be a rotation error. Ah, unbelievable. Unbelievable, because that's 2011. 3 Olympics in one hunt. Holy Toledo, this is unbelievable. Right, our 3rd attempt at ticking off an Olympic sport. It's weightlifting. Is that in the book? I should know by now, shouldn't I? There's only 3 Olympics left to go. Unbelievable stuff. Wowzers. We've still got so many bags left to get through as well. Another Benjamin Bunny. No rotation error. Victoria Cross, Heroic Act. Could be a restrike, but this one is not. There's Peter Rabbit from 2017's Beatrix Potter set. Oh, and also coming up, Roger Bannister. Again, part of that 2019 Restrike set, but that's an original circulating one, unfortunately. representation of the People Act. A little bit grubby, but it is a nice design. Public libraries there. Another one we've not seen today. Oh, there's the king for the first time today. Where has he been all these bags? Coronation 50p. So again, we know this is the circulating version because the king is not wearing a crown. There is a version you could only purchase where the king is wearing a crown on the head side, the obverse of that coin. That would make for an exciting find because just like those restrikes, they shouldn't be out in circulation. Well then, this is the last bag for today's video. What a video it's been as well. We've got a trip to Korea, 3 Olympics. You never know what could be inside this last bag. Now, as usual, you will find links in the description of this video across to my coin collecting Discord server if you'd like to come and join me and other collectors over there. You'll also find links to my other social media channels, the PO box address if you'd like to write into me, and of course a link to the Britannia Coin Company's YouTube channel, the company I work for as my day job, so please do check them out too. Right, I'm going to go through the definitive coins off to the side and see if I've missed any key dates. Okay then, so one key date found, that is 2003. I misread it. No key dates found, that's a 2003 Britannia, not a 2008. I did remember to sign my Benjamin Bunnies before I finish off, so I scribble on my Benjamin Bunnies and put them out into circulation to make it a bit fun, see where they turn up, and I like finding other people's signed Benjamin Bunnies too, so if you do that, good. Right, one bit of good news, we did get a new coin for the book. Olympic weightlifting is one that we were missing, which means we're down to just goal ball and shooting, and of course the Kew Gardens 50p. So we are drawing ever closer. So star find, I think it's going to be weightlifting. It's an Olympic. It's my favourite of the 3 Olympics that we got today, and it's a new one for the book, so that is what I'm picking. But as ever, let me know in the comments what you'd pick as the star find. It's always interesting knowing what coins you guys are liking and why you're liking them, and all it leads me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye!